Hosting simply means renting space on a server to store your website files. That server runs 24/7, so your website is always online and accessible. For this, we're going to use Hostinger. It's one of the best and also one of the most affordable hosting providers out there. In fact, it's one of only 3 hosting companies officially recommended by WordPress. And if you sign up using our partner link down in the description, you'll get an extra 10% off your hosting plan. So make sure to use that link to save some money. Once you're on the site, click Claim Deal. Here we can see the Hostinger plans. While the business plan does offer a few benefits, you can always upgrade later, and everything I show you in this tutorial, you can do with the premium plan. So I'll click Choose Plan. On this screen, you can select your hosting period. Choosing 48 months saves you the most money by locking in this rate, but 12 months is still a great deal to get started. You still get a free domain, and I'll click Continue. Next, register with Hostinger by creating a username and a password. Once you've registered, enter your billing address, followed by your payment information. Then click Submit Payment. Once you've paid, you'll land on the Hostinger onboarding. To save some time and skip the onboarding sequence for now, let's click on the Hostinger logo here up at the top and go straight to the Hostinger dashboard. Confirm by clicking Leave, and now we're on the Hostinger dashboard. In our to-do items, you can see that we need to verify our email. Let's open our email inbox in a new tab, find the Hostinger email with the subject line, Verify Your Email Address, open it, and then click Verify Email. That will complete the verification step and bring us back to the dashboard, so we can now close these other 2 tabs. Now that we've verified our email, we're officially done setting up hosting. Next, let's choose our free domain. And our domain is simply the name of our website. For your website, it can be anything you like, as long as it's still available. Click Claim Domain here. Ideally, you pick something short, memorable, and a .com domain that's still available. I'll go with HWP Tutorial 2, as in hosting a WordPress tutorial, and then click Check Availability. When you find something available, click Claim Domain. Here, you may be prompted to enter your contact details to register your domain. And after you do that, it's important to verify your email address. Let's just do that now so that we don't forget. Open your email inbox once more, find the new email with subject line, Verify Your Email Address to use your domain, and open that. Then click Verify Email. Once verified, you can close these 2 tabs.